In this video, I'm going to show you 8 words that when you combine them together, generate thousands of sentences in any language. This is something I'm going to do in a notebook, and it's something you can easily do in a notebook too. It'll make you feel like you have language learning superpowers. Across the top of the page, I've written be, have, go, do. And down the side of the page, I've written like, want, have to, and can. So yes, it's technically 9 words. If you have a problem with that, take it up with HR. Now, when you combine like and be in this square, you get I like to be. If this were Spanish, it would be me gusta ser. Arabic, oheb an akun. When we come down to want and be, we get I want to be. Quiero ser. Orid an akun. Voglio essere. Now you can think of what's in this square as what I call a verb seed. So you've planted the seed, I want to be. Now imagine the vocab branches that grow from that seed. For example, I want to be there. I want to be an astronaut when I grow up. When I grew up, I wanted to be a dinosaur. How many verb branches can you think of that grow from I want to be? If you're doing it in Spanish, quiero ser astronauta, dinosaurio. Fill in the blank. Come down to have to be. I have to be there on time tomorrow. I have to be careful. I have to be ready. And finally, we come down to I can be. I can be a bit hyper at times. Again, no matter what language you're learning, what would happen if you planted these 16 verb seeds? I like to have. I want to have. I have to have. I can have. I want to have another sip of coffee now. Where do you like to go? Where do you want to go today? Do you have to go somewhere? Where can you go? Me gusta ir a la playa. Quiero ir a México. Tengo que ir al trabajo. ¿Puedo ir contigo? I like to do this. I want to do this. I have to do that. I can do that. What if you switch them all to a yes-no question? Do you like to do this or that? Do you want to do this or that? Do you have to do that? Can you do something different? It's only 16 squares, but I bet that if you tried, you'd never run out of things to say as vocab branches growing from this grid. Language learning isn't always about learning more words, but rather combining words. You don't need that many words, and you can say infinite things in any language. This is a notebook language matrix, and it presents language for what it is, a compact conversation generator. Could also play bingo with this. I'd like to hear your thoughts, and I welcome your comments, all of them. I'm Tony Marsh. This is the language matrix method. Thanks for watching.